This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wear your school dress perfectly. First, always ensure your uniform is impeccably clean and free of any wrinkles. A crisp appearance makes a significant difference. Next, confirm that your uniform fits correctly. It shouldn't be too tight or too baggy, allowing for comfortable movement throughout your day. Finally, always double-check your school's specific dress code guidelines to avoid any missteps. These foundational steps are crucial for a polished look. Once your uniform is on, consider your accessories. Opt for simple, school-appropriate items like a small watch or modest earrings if permitted. Your hair should always be neat and tidy, styled in a way that adheres to your school's rules, perhaps pulled back from your face. Don't forget your nails, keep them clean and trimmed, avoiding any elaborate polish. These small details contribute greatly to a well-put-together appearance, showing attention to detail. Footwear is another key element for a perfect school dress. Always choose comfortable, closed-toe shoes that comply with your school's regulations. They should be clean and in good condition. Ensure your socks or tights are also clean, free of holes, and match your uniform's color scheme. Prioritizing comfort is essential for long school days, allowing you to focus on learning without discomfort, while still maintaining a smart and polished look from head to toe. Finally, wearing your school dress perfectly is also about how you carry yourself. Stand tall and maintain good posture. It instantly elevates your entire presentation. Project confidence through your overall demeanor, showing that you are ready for the day. Remember, a well-worn uniform reflects not only your personal pride, but also respect for your school and its values. Embrace these tips to look and feel your best every single school day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.